Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchips. In this episode we're having a look at this York JCB 861 which I bought as supposedly faulty, not powering on. And as you can see from the back, the rear power socket looks very how you doing. But apart from that, radio looks okay. So quick check out of the switches, everything seems to be in order on the front. Case is in not bad condition, apart from this at the back. Maybe here's our problem, who knows. So let's take some of this tape off, see what's below it. And it just looks like wires soldered to the board or something. Okay, we'll have to deal with that. So let's have a look inside the radio, see if there's any nice surprises for us. Looking at the track side of the board, everything looks in order. Doesn't look like there's been much work done to it or any work done to it, so that's nice to see. It's not been mutilated in any way, apart from where somebody's decided to solder the power wires directly to the board. But we can correct that. And component side, all looks nice and neat. So, I wonder what the fault is with this radio. Everything looks in order, apart from that wiring at the back. Unless something's gone totally wrong with that wiring. I mean, it should work, but it's not right. On the close inspection, everything's looking good. No problems at all. So let's put some power to it, and it switches on, which is a good sign. So let's try it with an antenna in. Squelch is a bit lazy, but never mind. And we are transmitting. And we have audio. And it's receiving okay. Let's see whether it's on frequency. Check VCO voltage. Bang on frequency. VCO seems okay. Okay, no problems there. Let's check RF output. Low power's a little bit low. High power is on the generous side, which is good. So what we'll do is we'll just wiggle the low power pot around a little bit, and then we'll set it to 0.5 where it should be. Just over 4 watts into a dummy load. So no problems there. So let's fit a power socket. Now this is extremely hard to come by, but luckily I managed to get one off a scrap chassis. Now we have a nice power socket, correctly wired in. Let's do a little bit of basic maintenance, as we always do with these radios. And of course the metal work on the front, all the glue has deteriorated over the time. So let's get the front metal work off, glue it back down, give it a good clean with our friend foam cleaner. I've tried to knock out a couple of those little dents that were in there. Just gently rub them down, as it's only thin aluminium material. So with our friend foam cleaner and a brush, makes the front sparkle again. Well, as good as it can do. And we'll give the front plastic work a damn good cleaning whilst we're at it. There, all much better. So with our friend B7000, got to stick this metal work back down, and hopefully it should stay on there for another 40 years. Yeah, looking much better. It was a complete pain to get this front off due to the front facing microphone socket, but we're going to reconnect all that back up anyway. So just to make this radio a little bit more special, I've fitted one of my midband boards to it, and on the day I was filming this, we had a nice little bit of lift. So there's plenty of European stations coming in on the midband, especially on FM. Which was nice to hear. So this radio's had a crystal compensation board fitted to pull it directly onto midband frequency and get it correct with UK FM. And we've also fitted a Squelch pop modification, so the Squelch doesn't pop anymore. And there's our midband board fitted. All nice and tidy, cable tied up. Nice and neat installation. So there we have it, a York JCB 861 that was barely nothing wrong with it, just need a little bit of basic maintenance, and we've fitted midband to it, make it a little bit more useful. It's bang on frequency, 4 watts, receives well. And that's it for this video. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.